Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset your student's password in Active Directory. So first, locate the Active Directory icon or shortcut on your desktop. It looks like a blue book with a generic person on it. Now if you do not see the shortcut on your desktop, search for it on your computer by tapping on the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Active Directory, and it should pull up. If for some reason this shortcut is not on your desktop and it does not pull up when you search for it, please put in a ticket for technology so they can push this application to your laptop. Again, if you cannot locate Active Directory on your computer, it's not there, then put in a ticket for technology so they can push the application to your desktop. Once you find it, double click to open, click yes. There's two ways to reset your student's password. You can do it on the main screen or under global search. So I'm going to do it on the main screen and then show you how to do it under global search. So on the main screen, in this area right here, you need to type in the domain and you need to have the student's full username. So the domain is smsd / which is right above your enter key, and type in the student's full username. You will need to type in the password 2 times. If the passwords were not typed in correctly in both times, you will get an error message and you just need to go and correct the field that's not correct. Now if you are doing this at the beginning of the school year and you are changing your student's password to a generic Stafford 1 or Spartans 1, and you are expecting the students, or you will be teaching the students, how to create their password and how to change their password, then you will leave this box checked. So again, type in generic password. Okay, so that didn't match, so I gotta go fix this. Okay, so I typed in Stafford 1, which is the generic password for everybody. Then I left this box checked, so that way when my students log in, they will have to go and create their own password. Now if I'm deciding to change all of my students' password and giving everyone different passwords, then I can go ahead and type in whatever the password may be for each individual students and then unchecking this box, so that way the students are not prompted to change their passwords when they're logged in, because I went ahead and I changed them and I gave everyone different passwords. Once you click apply, if the password was changed correctly, if everything was successful, you will get a confirmation down here that the password was successfully resetted or something of that nature, but you will get the confirmation down here. So just take notice down here of what's happening after you click on apply. Now if you don't want to go through the hassle of typing in the domain and the full username, you can search for your students under global search. You can search by first name or last name or some parts of the username. So I'm going to search for Tran, type in Tran and hit enter on my keyboard. It's going to pull up every user with the name Tran. So you just go down the list, locate your user, confirm that it is a student. The student will have their user ID, the student ID here, and under the path column, it will let you know, it will show you what campus they are located. So in the event that you pull up 2 students with the same first and last name, you can confirm or verify by looking at their student ID and looking at what campus they're located on. So once you select the user, you go to the right panel and click on Reset Password, and you have the same options as you did on the main screen. You type in the password 2 times, both times correctly, and if it's not correct, then you get an error message. And then again, if you're giving everybody a generic password and wanting your students to change their password on their own, then you keep this box checked. If you are changing everyone's password to something different, everyone gets something different, then you uncheck this box and then you click OK to confirm. So if you are searching for a student and they are not in here, they are not in Active Directory, that means they have not been given an account, their account has not been created. So if you're watching this at the beginning of the school year, Technology does the mass import, and the technology department will do the mass import in October for the 2017-2018 school year. But after they do the mass import, the campus counselors will be responsible for creating the logins for students. So if you have a new student in November, December, anytime after the October mass import, please contact your campus counselor and have them create the accounts for the students. So again, if the students are not found in Active Directory, they do not have an account in Microsoft, or they do not have a computer account, please contact your campus counselor after the October mass import. If you have any further questions regarding resetting students' passwords or unlocking students, please email me, let me know, and I can schedule a time to meet with you when I'm on your respective campus. Thanks for watching.